Compass Wave is the ultimate tool for your business. Generate leads, create buzz, gain actionable insight, schedule appointments, and much more. Today we will demonstrate our simple no-code system to create a custom widget to embed in your website. Easy as pie. Step 1. Enter your cost drivers. Step 2. Select which questions you want to include in your widget or create brand new custom ones. Step 3. Easily drag and drop our different modules to customize your widget completely. For step 4, you get to put your designer hat on. Go through each of these drop-downs to select exactly how you want your widget to look. After filling out the widget, the customer will receive an estimate based on their answers and the cost drivers that you included in step 1. You will receive an email with all of the lead's pertinent data, and it will show up in your dashboard. To learn about all of Compass Wave's features and find out how Compass Wave can help you make more money, sign up today for a free trial or contact us below. Thank you very much. Have a great day.